Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today I'm going to show you something I've never done before. I'm going to show you pillow magic. I have bought these pillows since we bought them. Trying to get the covers on them, trying to figure out all different kind of ways, and today I hit upon the one way that seems to work absolutely the best. You turn the cover inside out, and you just grab a hold of it and slide it over the pillow. No fuss, no muss. Done. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. That's how you do it.
Yay!
Thanks.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.